I think I might have just found the best keyboard for under 100 USD. So this is GamaKay and their retro-themed TK75-SE mechanical keyboard, which comes in this creamy white colorway. You also get some spare switches and spare keycaps, along with USB-C cable for the keyboard. The keyboard comes with Timu yellow switches, and since it's 3-pin hot swappable, you can pretty much put any switches in it. It also features gasket mount structure to provide more quiet and satisfying typing experience. The volume knob on this keyboard makes it perfect for working. It also has a south-facing RGB and PBT keycaps, and it can be also connected via Bluetooth. You can find a link to this keyboard in my bio, and this code will get you 5% discount on it. Now here's the promised sound test.